Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Leo Measure, and in this video I will show how we can track Go High Level form submission. This is my Go High Level website, and in the my contact page this is a form, as well as this is another page. This is the appointment page. Here you can see this is a appointment booking form. So I will show how we can track the both form submission. So to do that, at first we need to come to this website for collecting some code. I will share this website link in the video description. You just need to copy the code by clicking this icon, and we need to go to Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. This is the Google Tag Manager which is connected with my website. So if you don't know how you can connect the Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager with your Go High Level website, you can check the video description below. I will share another video for this. So here we need to create a new tag. I'm just clicking here, and then we are giving a title HTML tracking code or something like that. And then here we are selecting the custom HTML. Just need to paste the code and select the trigger all pages and save it. This is perfectly fine here. Now let's click the preview icon in the top right corner to see how thing we are getting by putting this code. I am connecting this website. In your cases, you need to put your website link here. So this is my contact page. I am coming here and fill up the form and send it. The form has been submitted, and if I come back to my GTM preview, we can see we are getting the GA4 from submit data layer event. And nice thing is that we're also getting the customer email address, first name, last name, phone number, and other related thing. Now, if I go to the appointment page and book an appointment, let's see how we are getting here. Just select the date and time slot from here, and then fill up the form, and then submit it. It has been submitted, and if I check our data layer preview, we can see we are getting the GISL from submit as well as GISL booking complete. So this is the data layer event, and if you are experienced guy, I think this is enough for you to create the custom event for Go High Level website. So in this part, I will show how we can send this information and we can create a custom event for our Google Analytics and Google Ad Conversion Tracking. So again, I'm going to Google Tag Manager. Here we like to collect the email address from here for enhanced conversion tracking. So here we need to create a variable here. I'm just going to the variables. In the top corner, we are clicking the new, just putting a name email, and here click here, and then we need to select the data layer variable is here. And if we check here, we are getting the email address inside the inputs object. So we just need to copy the inputs object. Then we need to put a dot. And then finally, we need to copy the name of email address. This is called key of the object. We need to copy the key here and paste it here. And finally, we need to save it. And then we are going to create a tag. We actually create 3 tags, one for contact form submit, another one for booking form submit, and another the booking or schedule meeting or something like that. So I am clicking the new button here. And let's give a name GA4 because we are creating this tag for Google Analytics for contact form submit. And then here we need to select the Google Analytics, and then we need to put a measurement ID. If you go to your Google Analytics, click the icon below, and this is the data stream. Here you can click, you should see the data measurement ID. Just need to copy the measurement ID and paste it here. But my cases, I have already created a variable with this measurement ID. And now we need to put the event name, how we are getting the event name in our Google Analytics dashboard. I am giving contact form submit. And now we need to create a trigger and assign the trigger. So I'm clicking here, click the plus icon, then put the name, contact form submit, and here we need to trigger configuration. And this is the custom event. We need to collect the event name, how we are getting event as like here. Just copy it, paste it here. And for my cases, I need additional information here because because we have 2 fonts. So I am selecting the some custom event here, and then we need to select the page URL contain for my contact page. Let's check how is my contact page URL. Just we need to copy this thing here, and coming back here and put it here. So when the page URL of my website contain the contact us, that case this is the contact form. So save it, and this is the thing. Now we need to create additional two event. We will create a meeting form submit or something like that. We can click this icon and we can do this by express. But I like to, we can easily copy the existing tag and we can do this thing very more quickly. Come here and copy, and then we just need to change it. Maybe booking form submit, and then we need to change the trigger, and this is submit here, and this is of course we should select the custom event like before, and this is the event name how we are getting, then the custom event page URL content. We just need to check how our appointment page look like. This is the booking page path. You just need to copy the path for the page URL here. So I'm just copy it and paste it here and save it. And this is our booking form submit. We need to create another event which is for the booking complete. So actually we are looking for this thing, booking complete. So we come here and just duplicate the existing one, copy, and here booking complete, and then booking complete, and then we need to create another ticker, booking complete, and here this is the custom event. We just need to copy the event name how we are getting here. This is the booking complete, paste it here and save it. Actually, these cases we don't need additional thing because we only have only booking form. But if you have multiple booking form, that cases you need to change your trigger with some, and then you have to make a distinguish for each of the event with the page URL. But my case, this is perfectly fine. Just change and save it. And so we have created 3 tags for Google Analytics 4. Now we will create some tag for our Google Ad conversion tagging. So I'm going to Google Ads account. Here we need to create a new conversion. Maybe if you have already some conversion, then you will get this button here. We just need to click the new conversion action here. And then website. And then we need to put our website link. This is our website link. Actually, we need to put our website domain here. Don't need the HTTPS and something like that. Then scan. And this is perfectly fine. Then we need to add a conversion action manually. And then we need to select category. In my case, we are going to contact form submit. So we can keep it contact, and then we can put a default value for this. One is perfectly fine, every is okay. And then enhance conversion, we like to do enhance conversion, so make sure that this check is checked, and then done. And of course we need to give a conversion name, and then done, and then save and continue. And now done. And now we can see contact form submit we are getting here. We just need to click here and we need to collect few information. And this is the setup. We need to click here and we need to select the use Google Tag Manager. We will get the conversion ID and conversion level. So I'm going back to Google Tag Manager here and just click here, then Google Ad conversion tracking, conversion ID is like this. And this is my conversion level. I will just copy the conversion level and put it here. And it is giving a some warning, so that we need to create another tag. So we can create it. Just click save. That's perfectly fine. And then because of we like to do enhanced conversion, so we need to click the include user provided data from website. Click here, and then we need to create another variable by click new variable. And now we need to select the email address variable we have already created and save it. Name is perfectly fine. And for this, we need to select a trigger, contact form submit. This is okay. So Google Ad, maybe G Ad, contact form submit and save it. So we have successfully created tag for Google Ad conversion tagging. So if you need additional conversion tagging from Google Ad, you can create more. I'm just showing it one. Now it is time to preview this thing. I'm just clicking the preview icon here and I'm going to contact page and filling up the form and send it. It has been submitted, and if I come back here, we can see this is the data layer event. Our tag fire is successfully. One for Google Analytics 4, another one is contact form submit. And if we click the Google ad, we can see this is the thing is going perfectly, as well as same for the Google ad conversion tracking. We are getting the conversion, couple of conversion here. One is the contact form submit. Anyway, switching back to here, and I like to test another event. So I am going back to my page and clicking the appointment here. I like to submit the appointment page here, selecting a time and fill up the form and submit it. Now we need to check here. We are getting to data layer event. The booking from submit tag has fired successfully, as well as the booking complete also fire here. For further confirmation, I am going to Google Analytics here and clicking the admin here, and from here check the debug view. We should see all of the information in the debug view. You can see the contact form submit is coming, as well as booking form submit, booking complete. Everything is coming perfectly. So we are confirmed that everything is coming perfectly. Now if I go to our Google ad and if I give a refresh, you can see the inactive text has gone. So we are confirmed that our Google ad conversion also working as expected. So when you are confirmed everything is okay, then you need to submit it and publish it. That's all. Hope this video will help you to track GoHighLevel conversion tracking for Google Analytics, Google Ad, or any other tracking platform. And if you have any question or query, you can let me know in the video description below. And the video description, you will find my contact information. If you need, you can contact with me through WhatsApp or email. And finally, I recommend you to subscribe my channel for getting this kind of more video more frequently. Thank you.